My question directed to GLC. I want to know if we voted them, how are they going to do with our children who are smoking daga now because of the government which is legal, because of the.
Please continue.
The daga is illegal.
United States of America for union domestic there.
Manje uthini njengoba ke bemhlukumeza bebhizi bethi akaphuma kodwa ngoba phela uyathanda umsholozi.
Anywhere there, not go away there. He come back for this one government there for years and years there anywhere.
Yeah, so yini kongayisho about lawa manye ke other political parties lawa amhlukumezayo abhiza hlukumeza abhiza kanyaka zisumsholozi kodwa engeke azalunge.
Anywhere there must take out there anywhere there. For this one all together from 1970.
You give a poor man a fish and you feed him for a day. You teach him to fish. You give him no.
Namhlanje sikhuluma nge-85% yeyikolo la abantwana bangakhokhi school fees khona.
We talk about 85% where learners do not cook.
Where they don't pay. Well, children don't pay school fees or parents don't pay school fees. That's okay.
Yeah, I think we all gonna settle whatever philosophy that he may come with. We will adjust.
Can you start from whatever philosophy?
Okay, whatever philosophy.
I can see what
Push forward quite a lot more at Pirates. The goal, you stayed up front.
If like as a player, I need to get the goal and then looking forward. I told my teammate today I need to score because this is my teammate. I know them, even them they know me, but today I'm gonna score. The truth is coming through again.
Did you feel you were in an offside position?
No, I'm not in the offside position because I was in between in the second defender. I was in between them.
Okay, Siyabonga, thank you very much. Well done tonight.
Thanks very much.
Okay, Nakeri Chilawani is going to present the prize. It's 5,000 Rand worth of soccer kits. That's going to go.
Congratulations, Mfanagiti. It was tough.
I'm so very excited. First of all, I want to thank God to give us the power to win this game. It means a lot to me. It's my first time to carrying the trophy for the Orlando Pirates in the MTN 8. But I'm happy even the supporters, the coming numbers to support us to give us the more money. And then I am so excited. I don't know what I say. I don't know my wife why to behave there at my interview. Sean is not here with me. I don't know what can I say. But I'm happy the performance of my teammates. And then the coach took the staff and then he told us we must come there and enjoy our game and then do that to what opponent had said to us. But let's go there and show them what we are capable to do it.
Mfanageti, awuqali ukuyiwina le ndebe.
I am so associated because it's my second time now to carrying this trophy. To me, it means a lot.
Thank you very much.
The lightning was hitting me, was coming fucking up. My shoes ran away. Fucked up everything. And then I'll correlate with your house. You can help me or moving at my home. Now, I'm right now, but the storm was coming at your house, was hitting everything. They were hitting in my hands, at my back, everything.
Yes.